All right. This video is about how to use the Fortune Rabbit app and to make an income from it. All right. The first thing you need to do is to click on this link, the referral link or the invitation link that was sent to you. So when you click on the link, it's going to launch your browser. It's going to take you straight to your browser and open the site. Okay, so here you just have to fill your basic details. You put your phone number here, all right. Then you choose your password. Then you confirm your password. Okay. Then uh, this last code here. Okay, this last code here. It's a referral code for the person that invited you. So after you fill the necessary details, then you just click next step. All right, so you click next step. So it's going to take you to where you are going to download an APK file. All right, you're going to download an APK file, and after downloading the APK file, um, let me just show you how it looks. All right, if you check here, this is the APK file. It says App Android Release Nigeria 2. So you just click on the APK file that you have downloaded. It should be under your download. It should be under your download folder. All right. So of course, you use package installer to install the app. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So right now, I'll just go and launch the app. All right. So this is the app. After you have installed it, this is what you're going to have. All right. So the very first thing you want to do, okay, let me log out. The very first thing you want to do is to log in. All right. The very first thing you want to do is log in, and you enter your phone number, the phone number you used to register. All right. Um, all right. You're going to enter it. I don't want to enter my details. So, because I may send this video to some other people. Some other people might be viewing it, and I don't want them to see my login details. So, you enter the phone number you used to register on the website, and also the password. Then you sign in.